RC Maniacs.
Hey guys, welcome back. So I got a new super exciting product release from WPL today. It's the WPL D14, and yeah, it looks like the D12, but it's officially licensed by Suzuki. You can see here on the box, and it's four-wheel drive. So it's based on the same chassis as the D64. Already had this out, driven it a bit. So it's based on the same chassis as the D64, independent suspension in the front, axle in the rear. However, on this one there's no open diffs, so it's a solid axle without diffs in the rear, and we got a diff in the front, which is pretty cool. So this is marketed as more of a drift truck, but because of the four-wheel drive, it obviously handles some off-roading better than the earlier ones, even though it's not its intended purpose. Also got the new bumper cover underneath here. Got new arms, suspension arms, new geometry. Earlier, when you hit the bottom of the suspension like this, you got some toe-in. They've eliminated that with the new geometry. So also got a new scale engine cover underneath here in front of the motor. This is an old D12 chassis, so you have much higher there, which increased the chances of bottoming out, which they've also eliminated with this new scale undercarriage. Also got new knuckles, and yeah, it looks really cool. I really like the new licensing. Drove this pretty hard, so there's some scratches and stuff. Really wanted to see what it could do off-road, actually. Or off-road on a gravel surface with some jumps and stuff, just for fun. Also got higher stall protection than this, so it stalls out under higher load than earlier. Less problems, which is really nice. So, as I mentioned, I've already had this out. Did some speed run with the GPS, because we got the classic high-low setting. Also got the classic D-Series 2 steering modes. And yeah, so I gave it a test run with the GPS just to see the difference between the two speed modes, just for fun. It's not a speed demon stock, but it's quicker than you might think. And also, yeah, ran it around a little, had some fun on some gravel and stuff. And because it's marketed as a drift truck, I'm going to fit these on. And they are from a Pinecone SG model. I've got some 3D printed adapters on here and the gyro, but I'm only going to fit the wheels and the adapters, no gyro. So I'm going to see if this can drift, and I think these are pretty good size for the size of the truck. So I'm going to fit these, and I'm going to show you the drifting footage later in the video. I'll start with the run footage with stock wheels and speed runs and stuff, and then we head out and do some really basic drifting just on some asphalt, just to see how it performs. I'm no drifter, so just for fun. So I got the GPS inside the cab there, zeroed out at the low speed setting. I can really see why this is one of WPL's best sellers. It's a fun little truck, looks really cute, coming out at me at the road here. Let's check the GPS. 13 kilometers per hour, not bad. So we'll hit that throttle button right there, speed button, and reset the GPS, and off we go. Lots more acceleration. Not sure about the top speed, but a huge difference in acceleration. Well, a bit bouncy, not the cleanest road here. So let's have a quick look here. 15 kilometers per hour, not bad. As I said, not a huge difference in top speed, but you can really feel the difference in acceleration. So I'm a bit off-road now, going in high speed mode. Did some slow-mo jumps over there. Handles, whoa, ouch. Handles the gravel pretty sweet. No! Ah. Suspension works really good, it looks really scale. I really enjoy it actually. So I'm going to, I'm going to try this with some drift wheels. Do some lighter drifting with it. I'm definitely no drift king, but can get a few nice slides going maybe. So that's coming up later in the video. So got a close up on the new arms in the front here, the knuckles, as well as the engine cover, and the solid axle in the rear without diffs, and then we got the diffs in the front. And a close up on the new Suzuki emblem. Looks good. The carry emblem there as well. So it looks really good. Also got metal hexes in the rear. And this is what the front looks like with the wheel off. Plastic hex. You got the basic adapter here. Works like a sleeve that just slides over. And then you fit the new wheel on top there. So we have a completely new design here on the knuckle, as you can see. So this fit just fine on the old type, but it rubs on the new one here. See, there's completely new design. You can see the old one here. Not much room, but there's room. That will rub up against this one. So I'm making some new spacers, some longer ones actually. We'll see if that works. At first I started to grind away on the rim, but I make it thinner, but then I thought, why not just move the wheel outwards? I think it would look pretty cool anyways. Just a really quick and easy design here. These are much taller. Quick print time as well, so hopefully this will do the trick. Okay, so the adapters are done. I added a little lip there. Totally unnecessary because it's nowhere near the bearing. And it's, yeah, I think it rubs just a little bit, but it works. So I'm going to use these for now. Okay, so it rides on. Okay, maybe I need to make them a little more deeper, but I'm going to try them like this for now because I want to get out while the sun's out. Maybe I'll revise them later, but they work. The wheel gets a little bit further out, but I think it will look okay. If you want it to look more uniform, you could always print same ones in the rear to make the wheel go out a little bit more. But yeah, let's use it as is and head out. So it's super windy. I hope it doesn't ruin the audio too much. But I was able to fit the drift wheels. And it drifts all right. And it looks pretty good in my opinion as well. So it leans pretty cool into the turns. So this definitely works all right. Probably works really good, even on a carpet track or something like that. So yeah, not the most fun and exciting footage maybe. Just wanted to give it a proper try, since this is marketed as a drifting truck, K-truck. And it works really good. Huge difference with the four-wheel drive. I did make a drift build out of my first original D12 several years ago, if you want to go back and check out that video. And it did not drift as well as this.